Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhupinder Singh, and I am an art teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today, I will teach you that how to make a thermodrop. Thermodrop is a scientific toy which can help to combine two separate images in a one. You can say that we can make a small animation as well with the help of this thermodrop. For that, we need one thick paper. As you can see, already have one thick paper. Choose any light color paper so it helps to draw easily. So first take the paper and fold it into half and draw a circle. So you can take any help of any kind of circular object, or you can make just a square shape as well. It's depend on you. I am using circle, so just draw one circle and cut it. So because we fold this paper, so we get a two circle of same size. Cut it carefully. Before using scissor, take permission of your parents, and you can take help of your parents to cut this circle. So when you're done with it, just now we have to paste these two circles together so it make it thick. Before that, we have to paste one stick over here, so we can make stick with the help of another sheet. Just take the sheet and make a stick like this. Or you can use old pencil or old pen as well for the stick. Just paste it when you're done with it. Like this. When you're done, just cut the top, and now you can paste it like this. You have to join them together. So a square fevicol over here on the corner, on one side, little bit on center, and now just place the stick on the center like this, and take another paper and paste it over here like this. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds, it will stick together. So now it properly stick. You can see we can move it easily. So now we have to draw two separate images on this. One side I'm gonna make a fish ball, on other side I'm gonna make a fish. So start with the fish ball. You can use pencil for the drawing, just like this. You can choose any other image as well, like a cage and a bird, horse and a horseman, anything, whatever you want to combine two images, but choose little related image which related to each other. So when you're done with your drawing, do the outline and color. So with the help of sketch pen, you can draw the outline. So this fish ball is almost ready. You can do blue color in this to make water. So I'm using crayon colors. You can choose any other colors as well. So with the help of this crayon color, just do the blue shade in this, so it depicts the water. Okay, when you're done, Now we have to make fish on the other side, but don't make fish or any other thing bigger than the first object. So this is the size of our pot. So I'm making fish. It is small over here. If you want, you can make bird and cage as well. So one side you can draw a bird and other side you can draw cage. So fish is almost ready. Just draw the outline. Like this. Make the eye. Make some patterns. And now you can do the color. I am using orange color. Okay, so it's ready. Now for to combine these two images, you have to just rotate it on a fast rate, so it will looks like that these two images in a one single image. You can see now it looks like that fish in a fish tank. As fast as you spin it, it looks like it's a single image. You can see it's a very interesting activity. You can make it in a different way as well. You can make bird and cage, you can make a horse and a horseman, or many things. So I hope you enjoy this video. You can try it yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.